my front door. You come through that. There's a little door here. There's a little door. It's like a little cubby with storage, lots of storage. It's not a very big little room. Then I've got my big lounge, my kitchen. This is just like a set of drawers. It's all storage. Not sure what that's about, but where I can put my fridge. Lots more storage. Sink. Sorry, it's getting a little bit dark. Dishwasher. Lots of storage. Lots and lots of storage. And a little place to do my laundry. It's nice because I can shut the door, which is great. Nice big deck. I think I'm going to take that room that goes off this deck because we've just discovered there's this bedroom. The big closet. And a bathroom. Nice shower. But what I didn't realize is that you go through this door and it is ensuite with the bathroom. And then another bedroom with a big closet. Yeah. And then outdoor blinds. And then it goes. Oh, I think I locked it with key. Oh no, I didn't. And then a big deck. And it's got little blinds to go down. Not bad for 600. Nice and spacious. But yeah, I'm having problems with my front door at the moment. Can't seem to lock my front door. But yeah, that is my little house moving in tomorrow. But I just came to check it out today, so I knew how to get it. Make sure it was pretty easy, and it is. So yeah, I don't know what to do about the front door. I'm probably just gonna leave it for now and then try to figure out later.